Alright. I have my Empire order. So Odyssey Chase Hawk grips. Those are sick. Oh. Animal PYN hub guard, black. Oh shit, these are nice. 2 Demolition Bulimia front hub guards. Primo drive side guard, alloy. Oh shit. Empire beanie with shit ton of stickers. Oh, even more. Sweet. Wow, I had a lot of stickers this time too. Holy shit. Beanie. And what I'm most excited about, Sunday freeze stem. Oh my god, that's nice. That is really nice. Alright, well, I'm gonna go build my bike now, so comment, rate, subscribe.